Let's make scoop cookies. And trust me, you will finish these in minutes. These are so soft, so yummy. For the first step, mix the dry ingredients, flour, baking soda, salt, and set aside. Now in a bowl, add unsalted soft butter, brown sugar, white sugar. Now you have to beat this for 5 minutes on medium speed. After that, add 1 egg and vanilla extract and beat for about 2 minutes. The texture should be like this. Now add the flour and mix it. Now one thing to bake perfect scoop cookies that do not overbake. Add the chocolate chips. Now make a balls and set on a parchment paper. Refrigerate it for 20 minutes. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees centigrade and bake these for 12 minutes only. Do not overbake, otherwise you will lose the texture and taste. And this is the final result. It's literally melting. You can serve it with the chocolate sauce, ice cream. These are so good. These are literally so good, and you have to make it.